Hey guys, today in this video I will teach you how to add glow to your text in After Effects. Let's get started. First, let's add text to our file. Now make the text bigger. Change the font to something more impactful and bolder. Change the color of your text. Once you've changed the color, go to Effects and Presets, type in Glow, and use the Glow under Stylize tab. Now tinker with the attributes of the glow. Play with the values as long as you don't get the desired result. This one looks nice. And this is it for today. Thanks for watching.